Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D, and in today's video I'm going to be printing out something with bronze fill and then showing you how to properly finish the print off with a rock tumbler. So stay tuned for more. Alright, so I currently have the copper fill printing, so you can see it is a brass knuckle paperweight. So that is pretty cool. It's printing very well so far. And since this spool is kind of old, I was worried that the filament would be super brittle. It is already very brittle. So I put it on one of these old Printrbot sheet metal spool racks, and it is just going into my print head right here. So there's no way for it to break really, because it would have been there on this spool holder that I printed going up this tube, and that I was worried it was going to break there. But it's going to be super cool. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to experiment with some Mod Podge, you know, that's clear coating stuff. You can put on stuff like that, because I have some prints up here like this. You can see this is a copper fill print, and it is covered, it's kind of hard to see, but it is covered in metal particles from the rock tumbler, and it's annoying because it gets all over your hands, and it's kind of dangerous, I'd say, but my goal is to try to eliminate that while still maintaining that cool metal look. So that is the goal with this. As you can see, I have some more copper fill prints, and that is the goal. So here's a rock tumbler. Believe it still works. Yes, it does. I have one material in here. This is for stainless steel, I think, and this is for copper fill and bronze fill. They're two different drums. This thing works like a charm. The only issue is that this gets super hot. I used to have a heat sink up there. In fact, it was this old heat sink, CPU heat sink, that I'm now using with those Peltier thermoelectric coolers. But as soon as this is done printing, I will come back and show you how to properly treat this and to finish it. Alright, so I just pulled this off the print bed. It's very cool. Oh, that's the wrong way. There is some tape on the back, but that is honestly fine because this is the side that's just going to be facing down. My fingers do fit in it. But barely. It's very tight, so that's kind of cool. But anyways, it has some heft to it. I don't remember what percent infill it was, but I think it was kind of low because this filament is actually kind of expensive. It's like $60 a roll. So I got this a while ago, and I never really print things that are that big with it. So now I'm here at my Harbor Freight rock tumbler. It's by Harbor Freight. It was super cheap. It has 2 barrels, which is great. So I can do 2 different types of materials. So the first thing that I had to do is take off this washer and this little knob, and now I need to take off this, and this is actually kind of a tricky part because it is very tight and hard to get off with my fingers because they're big fingers and I can't get stuff off like this. There we go. Alright, so now I'm left with this. I'm not sure if this is the correct drum, but we will definitely see, because I don't remember. Alright, this is the stainless steel one, as you can see. So I added some brass screws in there, and then some just regular stainless steel screws. So this is for all my Protopasta prints. And then the next one's for copper fill, brass fill, and bronze fill, and all of that stuff. I'm going to throw this in simply by just putting it in here with the screws. I'm just going to put that out of the way. And I'm going to put this back on, and I'm going to leave it running for about 8 hours. I'll probably check on it tonight. It is currently 12 o'clock. I have to go to work soon. And I'm going to put it on. I'm keeping this off because I don't want the screws to wear out. And yeah, so let me put this on and turn it on. And there you can see it turning. And that's all I need to do. I just leave it like that, and I'm actually going to turn it that way. And that's all that's to it. So I'm just going to do all the work for me, and I'm going to try this with a couple of prints because I want to see how Mod Podge works with it and if it still looks good and stuff. So I'll be back when this is done. Alright guys, so I have left this in here for a little bit. A few days have actually passed. It's because I didn't actually want to leave this going on. So I just turned it off and did it over the course of a couple of days. Now it's time for us to see how it looks. So I'm just going to open this up, and right off the bat, that looks very cool. You can just see that this kind of got stuck, but it is very shiny. It's kind of hard to see. I'll turn on the lights quickly. But it is pretty shiny. Now, I probably can put this in for even longer, but as you can see, look, there's some metal on my fingers. But I think this is cool, and now I'm going to try to put some Mod Podge on it, experiment with that. Alright guys, so thank you for watching till the end. I will be back with another video where I actually put the Mod Podge and stuff on it, mainly because I just don't have it yet, so I need to go out and get some, and then I will continue on with this experiment and keep you guys updated. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!